Alright, YouTube, Penny LS1 back with another video. So today, as y'all saw in my last video, I got my valve covers painted wrinkle black. So what I'm working on now is these ugly coil packs, cleaning up the spark plug wires, and I've got something new I'm going to put on here. So I'm not going to reuse this coil bracket. I actually bent this one getting it off. I was going to go with the relocation bracket where all of the coils was in line right here, but the back one was moved up. I decided against that, so let me show you what I got. These are from ICT Billet. I picked them up at Summit Racing. They were actually half the price for this set for what it would have cost for one of those, the one that I was originally looking at. I'll put a picture up on the screen and show you which one I was looking at. But these are okay. They don't relocate the coil, but once you put it on here and mount it down, this is the screw that I was unable to get out with the valve cover on the car. So what I'm just going to leave that screw out. So we're still going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting holes. So it'll be fast and nice and secure. So I don't have to worry about it moving or anything. So, but I'm gonna go with these. Came with new hardware, stainless steel bolts. I've already cleaned up one. Let me show you. I've already cleaned up one of the coil packs or coils. It's still dingy, but it looks better than before. And I cleaned up the wire as well. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and mount this on here and show you how it's gonna look. Let me take the wire off. Dang, I don't know why it doesn't. So these are, I believe they're 8mm bolts. So like I said, I'm gonna mount it everywhere but here is going to get a screw. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go ahead and fasten this down. Now when I put it in the car, I'm put the valve cover on the head first, and then I can just bolt this to the valve cover. I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. And then put the coil here. And that's a way better look. I know this coil is damaged. It still works, so ain't no point of this the back coil too, so I'm not gonna worry about changing it. So what I'm about to do now is clean up these other coils, get them all mounted on here, clean the wires up. So I'll put you on time lapse while I do that. But yeah, this is from ICT Billet. I believe they were $39.99 in stock at Summit. Man, I seen the same bracket. I'm talking about same design. What company was that? They were selling for MSD. MSD has the same bracket design. And it says MSD right here, just like ICT. MSD wants 140 for their set. So ICT for the win, Summit Racing. So, all right, let me get the rest of these coils cleaned up and installed. I got everything broken down. I sprayed the electronic cleaner on this harness. This tape is brittle. It's coming off. I'm not gonna unwrap all of this. I'm just gonna take off the pieces that are kind of hanging off. And then I have this tape right here. See, it's kind of like a cloth, but it's for electronics. Well, it says wire harness. What is it called? Wire harness tape. Yeah, wire harness tape, something like that. So I'm just gonna take off all the pieces that are breaking off. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down, get all the oil and dirt off of it, and then I'm gonna wrap it with this tape, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. Nothing special, just giving it a fresher look. I could have wiped that off a little bit more, but be all right. Let me just start it. Okay, so I got it all wrapped. Turned out real nice, actually, if you can see. Looks real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the rest of the coils to the pack, and it goes like this. So this is gonna be 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8 cylinder. So this is the back one. All right, well, let me get this on there.